If you spend long hours at your desk, you've likely experienced discomfort or even pain in your hands, wrists, or shoulders. Finding the right ergonomic keyboard and mouse can be a game changer for productivity and health. Today, we're covering 5 of the best ergonomic keyboards and mice that can help alleviate strain and improve comfort while working or gaming. Let's dive into these top picks to help you make an informed choice for your setup. Kicking off our list at number 1, Kinesis Advantage2. The Kinesis Advantage2 is a uniquely designed ergonomic keyboard tailored for professionals seeking a more natural and comfortable typing experience. With its distinctive split key layout and concave key wells, this keyboard reduces the strain on your fingers, wrists, and arms, making it ideal for people who type for extended periods. Key features: the Advantage2 boasts Cherry MX brown mechanical switches, which provide tactile feedback with low actuation force, enhancing typing speed and comfort. The split design helps reduce shoulder tension, and the keyboard features customizable key layouts, so you can tailor it to your workflow. Additionally, it has onboard memory for personalized settings and macros, and supports QWERTY and Dvorak layouts. Benefits and usage: this keyboard's unique layout encourages a natural hand position, reducing strain and fatigue in the fingers, hands, and arms. Ideal for typists, programmers, and heavy keyboard users. The Kinesis Advantage2 is designed to optimize typing efficiency and accuracy. Its programmable keys make it versatile for custom shortcuts, boosting productivity. Usability: the Advantage2 may have a learning curve for users new to ergonomic or split keyboards, but once you adjust, it's easy to use and extremely comfortable. Setup is plug-and-play on most operating systems, and the keyboard's onboard memory makes it easy to switch between customized profiles without needing software. Durability: constructed with high-quality materials and Cherry MX switches, the Kinesis Advantage2 is built to last. The mechanical switches are rated for millions of keystrokes, ensuring long-term durability. Its robust design and premium components make it a reliable choice for users seeking a long-lasting ergonomic keyboard. In the second spot, we have Goldtouch V2 adjustable keyboard. The Goldtouch V2 adjustable keyboard is designed with a focus on customizability, allowing users to adjust the keyboard's angle and split to suit their unique ergonomic needs. This keyboard is an excellent choice for users looking for a truly tailored typing experience. Key features: the Goldtouch V2's standout feature is its adjustability, with a 0 to 30-degree adjustment for both horizontal and vertical angles. This adjustability helps reduce wrist pronation and forearm strain. The keyboard has a compact layout that reduces the distance your hands need to travel between keys, and its soft-touch membrane switches provide a quiet typing experience. Benefits and usage: the adjustability of the Goldtouch V2 allows users to find the most comfortable position, minimizing the risk of repetitive strain injuries. It's a great option for anyone working long hours at a computer, especially if they have existing wrist or shoulder discomfort. The compact design also makes it ideal for small desk spaces. Usability: the Goldtouch V2 is straightforward to set up and compatible with most operating systems, though adjusting it to your optimal angle may take a bit of experimentation. Once set, it's comfortable and easy to use, with soft-touch keys that provide a smooth typing experience without excessive noise. Durability: built with quality materials and a sturdy design, the Goldtouch V2 is made for durability and long-term use. The membrane switches are crafted to withstand regular typing, and the adjustable components are designed to hold up well, even with frequent angle changes. This is a reliable, durable choice for ergonomic enthusiasts. Coming in at number 3 is the Logitech MX Vertical. The Logitech MX Vertical is an ergonomic mouse designed to reduce muscle strain and wrist pressure by positioning your hand in a natural handshake posture. This mouse is ideal for users looking for an ergonomic alternative that doesn't compromise on functionality or precision. Key features: the MX Vertical features a 57-degree vertical angle that reduces wrist pronation, helping to relieve muscle strain and improve comfort. It has a high-precision 4000 DPI sensor, making it efficient for both productivity and light gaming tasks. The mouse is also equipped with customizable buttons and supports USB-C charging, with a battery life that lasts up to 4 months on a full charge. Benefits and usage: This mouse's unique design is perfect for users who experience wrist pain or discomfort with traditional mice. The vertical angle helps alleviate strain, while the customizable buttons and high-precision sensor make it versatile for a variety of tasks. Its Bluetooth and USB receiver connectivity options make it ideal for multi-device users. Usability. The MX Vertical is easy to set up and connect seamlessly with multiple devices through Bluetooth or the included USB receiver. The mouse's shape may take a little getting used to, but it's intuitive and comfortable once you adjust. Logitech software also allows for easy button customization, making it adaptable to different workflows. Durability. Made from high-quality materials, the MX Vertical is durable enough to withstand daily use without wear. The buttons are designed for long-lasting functionality, and the rechargeable battery reduces the need for replacements. This mouse is a durable choice for users prioritizing both comfort and performance. Taking our fourth spot is Microsoft Bluetooth Ergonomic Mouse. The Microsoft Bluetooth Ergonomic Mouse combines comfort, functionality, and style in a compact design. It's a great choice for those who want a reliable ergonomic mouse without sacrificing portability or aesthetic appeal. Key features. This mouse features an ergonomic thumb rest and a sculpted design that encourages a natural hand position. It has 3 customizable buttons, a scroll wheel, and supports Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. The mouse has a 15-month battery life, providing long-lasting use without frequent battery changes. Benefits and usage. This mouse is perfect for users who want an ergonomic option that's compact and portable. The Bluetooth connectivity makes it ideal for use with laptops, tablets, and desktops, and the long battery life ensures that it will last for extended periods without needing a recharge. The customizable buttons also allow users to tailor the mouse to their workflow. Usability. The Microsoft Bluetooth Ergonomic Mouse is easy to pair with most Bluetooth-enabled devices, making it versatile for various setups. The compact design is suitable for both small and large hands, providing comfort for users who need a travel-friendly ergonomic mouse. The lightweight build enhances its portability, making it ideal for remote work. Durability. Designed with durable plastic and quality internal components, this mouse is built to withstand regular use. The long battery life and reliable construction ensure that it will serve users well for the long term. Overall, it's a durable and dependable option for anyone looking for a stylish and functional ergonomic mouse. And finally, at number 5, we have JTEC Digital Vertical Mouse. The JTEC Digital Vertical Mouse is a unique ergonomic solution designed for users seeking an alternative to traditional mice. Its vertical orientation and customizable buttons make it a comfortable and versatile option for work and casual gaming. Key features. The JTEC Vertical Mouse features an upright design that places the hand in a neutral position, reducing wrist strain. It has 2 customizable thumb buttons, a scroll wheel, and an adjustable DPI with 3 settings, allowing users to choose between 600, 1000, and 1600 DPI. Additionally, it comes with a detachable palm rest for added support. Benefits and usage. This mouse's design is perfect for users experiencing wrist or forearm discomfort with standard mice. The vertical layout reduces strain, while the adjustable DPI settings make it versatile for both everyday tasks and light gaming. The detachable palm rest provides extra support, making it comfortable for extended use. Usability. The JTEC Vertical Mouse is simple to set up, with plug-and-play functionality on most systems. While its unique shape may take a little getting used to, it's easy to adapt to, and the added thumb buttons allow users to perform common actions with ease. It's an excellent choice for both work and light gaming. Durability. Constructed from high-quality materials, this mouse is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. The detachable palm rest and solid build make it durable and comfortable for long-term use. It's a dependable choice for users seeking an affordable and durable ergonomic mouse solution. Choosing the right ergonomic keyboard and mouse can make a significant difference in comfort, productivity, and even long-term health. Each of these products offers unique features tailored to specific needs, from split key layouts to vertical mouse designs. We hope this guide helps you find the ideal setup for your workspace. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more top tech recommendations. See you next time.